Welcome to Play Digital Signage Tutorials. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to add and style text. Let's start by opening a playlist, and let's create a new slide. Let's find text in the top menu and add it to our slide. With the text added to my slide, I have a bunch of stuff I can do. I can move the text, resize it, and I can rotate the text. If we look on the right side, we'll find settings for the text. Here I have a couple of alignment tools. I can move the text up and down in the layers. I can change the font and make the text bold, italic, or underlined. And I can change the color of my text. I can align my text inside the text area. I can change the text size. I can change the line height. I can change the position of the text, pixel by pixel, and I can rotate the text here as well. I can add a shadow to my text, and I can change both the X and Y axis as well as the blur on the shadow. Last but not least, I can add a stroke, also referred to as outlining. If you are interested in more information on how to lock elements, we do have a great tutorial for that on YouTube. That was all for today. Thanks for listening.